Hi, boys and girls. Today we are talking about our feelings. How are you feeling today? You may be feeling happy, super feliz, or you may be feeling sad, muito triste. Let's say the sentence together. I feel happy. I feel sad. Which one are you feeling today? Do you feel happy or do you feel sad? The next feelings are almost the same. They are shocked, OMG, or surprised. Surprise! Es una sorpresa. Like right now, I am shocked and surprised that my daughter Gabby found her TV show. Say hi, Gabby. She says hi. So let's practice saying them together. Say shocked. Say surprised. All right, now let's read the sentence. I feel shocked. She's watching Bubble Guppies. I feel surprised. Some other emotions are bored, muy aburrido, lonely, solito, tired, muy cansada. So let's practice saying the words. Say bored, lonely, tired. Good. Now let's read the sentences. I feel bored. I feel lonely. I feel tired. Good job. Okay, these emotions are different. This one is angry, enojado. And this one is afraid, con miedo. Let's read them together. Angry, afraid. Good. Now let's read the sentences. I feel angry. I feel afraid. Good. So let's think about it. How are you feeling? Are you feeling angry, afraid, bored, lonely, tired, shocked, surprised, happy, or sad? Today I feel tired and I feel happy. I hope you're feeling good. Have a good day.